Welcome to Mower Insider. Today we are checking out the ANTHBOT Genie 1000 AI robot lawnmower, a smart wire-free helper designed to turn your lawn care into a hands-off experience. Is it the perfect upgrade for medium-sized yards? Let's unbox, test, and find out. First look, the Genie 1000 comes ready to roll with 5 stainless steel blades, a charging station, and RTK antenna with optional of a ring cover. Sleek, compact, and no messy wires. This robot means business. Set up Genie robot lawnmower is a 10-minute job. No boundary wire, just download and open the app. Let Genie's full camera AI vision mapping your yard, and you are done. Seriously, if I can do it while drinking a cup of coffee, so can you. The app lets you create maximum 20 zones, schedule mowing times, and track progress. Got a flower bed or patio? Mark it as a no-go zone with a tab. Rain delay? Sorted. It's like having a tiny lawn genius in your pocket. Power specs? The Genie 1000 handles quarter anchor yards on a 2 hours runtime, conquering slopes up to 45% thanks to its grippy tails and brushless motor. Watch it tackle the yard like a pro. Cut quality? Smooth and even, with adjustable heights from 1.18 to 2.76 inches. For weekly maintenance, it's flawless, although super overgrown grass might need a one-time manual trim beforehand. Noise level at 58 decibels. It's quieter than a microwave, perfect for early morning or lazy Sundays. Safety first. Genie's AI vision spots 1,000 plus obstacles, from toys to your dogs. No more "oops, I run over the hose" moments. The pros and cons. The good part: wire-free setup, killer AI obstacle avoidance, 20-zone flexibility, and IPX6 waterproofing. Rain outside. This robot does not quit. The not so good: smaller yard might find it overkill, and while cheaper than the Genie 3000, it is still a little bit expensive compared to the basic models. If you got a quarter anchor yard, the Genie 1000 hits the sweet spot. Compared to the 3000, you lose some battery life and zones, but save cash. Versus budget robots mower, you are paying for the AI smarts and no wires. For tech lovers, it's worth every penny. The ANTHBOT Genie series stands out as the most affordable robotic lawnmower on the market, with the Genie 600 priced at $999 for up to 1/7 acres of coverage, undercutting competitors like the Segway Navimo H800 series. Even the mid-tier Genie 1000 at $1199 for quarter anchors offer a cost-effective edge over similar models like the RoboOp T1200 Pro, while the Genie 3000 at $1599 for 3/4 anchors delivers expensive coverage at a fraction of the price of premium options like the Husqvarna 435X. With advanced AI vision and RTK navigation included, the ANTHBOT Genie series proves you don't need to break the bank for a high-quality, wire-free mowing solution. Final conclusion: If you have got a medium-sized lawn and craving smart, wire-free mowing, the Genie 1000 is a winner. But if your yard is tiny or you are on a tight budget, maybe wait for a sale. For me, this robot lawnmower is earning its keep. Got questions? Drop them below. Hit subscribe for more gadgets reviews. Now, if you excuse me, I have got a nap to attend to.